The Ipod Revolution. Opening shot of an early 2000s cityscape with bustling people and cars dot the camera. Then zooms in on a young person with white earbuds in their ears. Voiceover. The year is 2001, and something revolutionary is happening in the world of music. Cut to an office in Cupertino, California, where Steve Jobs is addressing a small group of people. Steve Jobs, we've built something that's going to change the world of music forever. Cut back to the young person with white earbuds. Voiceover. The product Steve Jobs was referring to was the iPod, a portable music player that could hold thousands of songs in your pocket. Cut to a montage of people using the iPod on the go, on buses, trains, planes, and in cars. Voiceover. The iPod quickly became a cultural phenomenon, with its sleek design and intuitive interface. Cut to a man walking down a street with an iPod in his hand. He sees someone else with an iPod and they nod at each other in recognition. Voiceover. Music lovers everywhere were united by their love for the iPod. Cut to a close-up shot of the iPod being connected to a computer. Voiceover. The iPod also revolutionized the way we bought and listened to music, with the introduction of the iTunes Store. Cut to a shot of the iTunes Store interface on a computer screen. Voiceover. For the first time, people could buy individual songs instead of full albums. And the iTunes Store became the biggest music retailer in the world. Cut to a shot of a person scrolling through their iPod library, selecting a song to play. Voiceover. Today, the iPod may not be as ubiquitous as it once was, but its legacy lives on. It paved the way for the streaming music revolution and changed the way we consume and experience music forever. Closing shot of a person putting their iPod in their pocket and walking away. Voiceover. The iPod, a true game changer. The rise and fall of the iPod. Opening shot of an iPod being unboxed and plugged into a computer. The screen shows the message, "Do not disconnect," as the music library is synced. Voiceover. In 2001, Apple released the iPod, a revolutionary device that changed the way we listen to music. Cut to a montage of people using the iPod in various settings, including working out, traveling, and studying. Voiceover. The iPod became a cultural icon, a status symbol, and a game changer for the music industry. Cut to a shot of a person browsing the iTunes Store and purchasing a song. Voiceover. With the introduction of the iTunes Store, people could buy individual songs instead of entire albums, making music more accessible and affordable than ever before. Cut to a shot of a person using a streaming music service on their phone. Voiceover. But as technology advanced, the iPod's popularity began to wane. Streaming services like Spotify and Apple Music made it easier and more convenient to access music, and the need for a separate device to store and play music became less relevant. Cut to a shot of a person holding an iPod and looking at it nostalgically. Voiceover. Today, the iPod is no longer the must-have device it once was. But its impact on the music industry and the way we consume music will be felt for generations to come. Closing shot of an iPod being disconnected from the computer. Voiceover. The iPod, a true icon of the digital age. The iPod's legacy. Opening shot of a person using an iPod Classic and scrolling through their music library. Voiceover. The iPod may not be as popular as it once was, but its impact on the music industry and technology as a whole cannot be denied. Cut to a shot of a person using an iPhone. Voiceover. Without the iPod, we may not have had the iPhone or the App Store, which have become integral parts of our daily lives. Cut to a shot of a person using an iPad. Voiceover. The iPod also paved the way for other Apple products, such as the iPad, which has transformed the way we consume media and interact with technology. Cut to a shot of a person using a smartwatch. Voiceover. The iPod's focus on portability and convenience also influenced the development of other wearable devices, such as smartwatches and fitness trackers. Cut to a shot of a person using a virtual assistant. Voiceover. Even the rise of virtual assistants like Siri and Alexa can be traced back to the iPod's introduction of voice-activated navigation and search. Closing shot of a person placing their iPod on a shelf next to other iconic technological devices. Voiceover. The iPod may no longer be at the forefront of technology, but its legacy lives on, shaping the devices and experiences we use every day.